there, it's Chef Katie. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. Today we are going to play with seaweed, specifically nori. These are the same rolls they use to make maki when you go get sushi, and it's just seaweed sheets. Today I'm going to use them to show you how to make raw hemp seed taquitos. Yeah, check it out. So you've got a nori wrapper on your board. You want to take a little bit of water and get the end nice and wet. Now we're going to put about a half a cup of filling, and this is our hemp seed taquito filling. So I've got hemp seed, jicama, corn, bell pepper, cilantro, lime, avocado, so much good stuff. Put about a half a cup into one end of the nori, and then wrap it up as super tight as you can get it. You're making a taquito, which is kind of like a little burrito. Try to keep as much on the ends as you can, all the way to the end. And you want that spot where you got it wet, you want that to seal. So double check, make sure it's sealed. If not, do a little bit more water, and then you're good to go. How easy was that? Nori rules. Hemp seed taquitos rule because plants rule. This is Chef Katie. I will see you next time.